1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at Uniswap bear market strategy. What should we do with our Uniswap through the bear market? Should we be buying more, or should we sell our stash, or should we hold through the bear market? In this video we're looking at Uniswap against the US dollar. How's it performing against the US dollar? How's Uniswap performed in the previous bear market? Also look at Uniswap against Bitcoin, looking at how Uniswap is performing against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at the Uniswap market cap chart. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, Uniswap is down 76.5% in the last 1 year. It's down 17% in the last 1 month, and it's up 16% in the last 1 week. It looks as if the bottom of the crypto bear market is in, but is it in? Is it safe to be getting some Uniswap? Right now, Uniswap is going for $4. In the last 1 year, it has gone as high as $31 and as low as $3.37. What are we going to be doing through the bear market? Are we going to be holding our Uniswap? Should we be selling our Uniswap right now because we're expecting lower prices, or should we be getting more? Uniswap has a market cap of $2.9 billion. It has a fully diluted market cap of $4 billion. Guys, this is the Uniswap US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. So each bar here represents 3 days on Uniswap price history, and this Uniswap from September 2020 till June 2022. So Uniswap has not been in an official bear market. Uniswap was launched at the end of the previous bear market when we were already getting ready to pump into new highs. At this point where Uniswap was launched was after the COVID sell-off. Bitcoin has already gone through that dip towards $5,000 and it was heading towards $40,000. From the bottom of the market, Uniswap actually pumped really hard. It pumped over 7,000% to the top of the market, where it topped on the 4th of May 2021. Since then, Uniswap has been in a steady decline. It has gradually been dumping and is down over 92% from its all-time high. Should you be getting some Uniswap right now, or should you be selling your stash to go into cash? Guys, Uniswap is down bad. How low can Uniswap go in the bear market? Can Uniswap still dump from this $4? This $4 is an important region for Uniswap. You can see this was the side we consolidated in November 2020 before the altcoins went crazy, before Uniswap actually started pumping, before it went on its final pump, which went up over 1,000%. A 1,000 investment in Uniswap around this region in 2020 would have returned over 10,000 at the top of the market. Right now, we are back to that critical support level, and will this level hold? If it holds, are we going to see Uniswap pumping again? I think for the short term, this level might hold. We might see Uniswap pump again. But guys, you want to be careful in the bear market. All coins can actually dip very further. After dumping 90%, you can think the bottom is in. They can find another way to dump 60, 70, 80%. In the previous bear market, guys, Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, dropped over 94%. If Uniswap pulled the same style move, we might see Uniswap at $2.5, $2.6. So Uniswap can still go lower. For you to find the bottom of Uniswap in this bear market, you have to wait for Bitcoin to actually show us the way and tell us that the bottom is in for the crypto market. Bitcoin is ranging at $20,000. It's very important for Bitcoin to hold this $20,000. If Bitcoin doesn't hold $20,000, we might see Bitcoin dip further to around $15,000, maybe $13,000 region, and all coins are actually going to tank really hard. So if you see Bitcoin dumping another maybe 40-50%, you can see all coins dumping around 50%. I'm not predicting doom and gloom, guys. That's just what happened in the bear market. But we're not going to dump in a straight line though. And we always have rallies in the bear market where we actually pump to the upside. But Uniswap have not been through a legit bear market. The market cap is still around $2 billion, and we only have 72% of the total coins in circulation. Only 72% are circulating. The maximum supply is 1 billion token. We have 790 millions of those tokens in circulation. Now, how has Uniswap been performing against Bitcoin and Ethereum? Since Uniswap have not been through a traditional crypto bear market, so how has it performed against Bitcoin and Ethereum? If you exchange your Bitcoin for some Uniswap on launch day, you had a 1,000% pump. But after that, it dumped. It dumped very hard. It had 85% dump. But what happened? It still recovered. That's why a lot of people like altcoins, because they can pump to the upside. But the flip side to that is that, guys, they can really dump to the downside. You really want to be careful when you're trading these altcoins, when you're holding them, because not everybody that can stomach 80% drawdowns. Now, Uniswap actually pumped over 600% against Bitcoin on the ending phases of the bull run. That's from December to May 2021. Uniswap pumped 600% against Bitcoin. I'm sure a lot of people would have flipped their Bitcoin for some Uniswap at the top right here. I mean, it's pumping against Bitcoin. Why should I still be holding Bitcoin? But guys, that was the wrong move to make. Why? Because since then, Uniswap dipped over 82% against Bitcoin. In the last 2 weeks, Uniswap has actually been outperforming Bitcoin. In the last 2 weeks, Uniswap has pumped around 50% against Bitcoin. Is this the start of an uptrend? You can see that when Uniswap was dumping right here, I'm sure nobody wanted to exchange their Bitcoin for some Uniswap here, but this was where the opportunity was at the bottom right here for Uniswap to actually go back to its previous all-time high on its Bitcoin pairing. From the bottom that we set now, Uniswap will have to pump around 450%. And we have seen Uniswap pump way better percentages against Bitcoin than that. We have seen Uniswap pump over 500% against Bitcoin. So for it to pump 450% is very possible. But guys, we're still in the bear market. So you want to be careful with these altcoins, Uniswap included. From the all-time high that was set on Uniswap, that's around $45, we're down over 90%. And yes, it might look very cheap right now, but guys, all coins can get very cheap. And that's why in the next bull run, a lot of people will be doing 100x, 200x. Because just picture these guys. If Uniswap dropped to as low, worst case scenario, Uniswap dropped probably to as low as $1.5. And the next bull run, if you see Uniswap going to probably as high as $300, $400, we'll see people doing thousands of percentage point. Because sometimes in the nearest future, Uniswap is going to be valued at over $100, maybe $200. And imagine you get Uniswap for $1.5 then, and Uniswap is going for 150. You would have multiplied your money times 100. You would have done 100x. So the bear market is not all about doom and gloom. There's still opportunities in the bear market. The bear market is where you want to be accumulating a lot of these coins. But guys, your entry point really matters a lot with all coins. How is Uniswap performing against Ethereum? Uniswap against Ethereum has been bleeding. Uniswap started initial ginger against Ethereum. It pumped, had a wonderful pump against Ethereum, and then it dumped. Uniswap dumped against Ethereum from September to January 2020, and when all coins were ready to go on a big rise to the moon, Uniswap went on a rise. It pumped over 340% against Ethereum. Now, in this time period, Ethereum too had its own pump, but if you had bought Uniswap, you would have been up 340%. Crazy. After that, Uniswap has actually been dumping against Ethereum. And guys, the problem with a lot of these altcoins is that a lot of people get sucked in at the top because they will see the past performance that has been pumping. And the bear market where a lot of these altcoins are cheap, nobody wants to touch them. Everybody's scared they'll keep dumping. And since the top of Uniswap when it came in March 2021, Uniswap has been dumping. It has lost over 89% against Ethereum. But in the last 1 month, it's actually outperforming Ethereum. Crazy if you think about it. It's doing the inverse of what it did at the top of the market. You can see that our last 1 month is up 76% against Ethereum. So in the last 1 month, Uniswap is outperforming Bitcoin and outperforming Ethereum. The only problem is that it's still losing value on its USD chart. So Uniswap is losing value in US dollar terms, but against Bitcoin and against Ethereum, it's actually pumping. It means Ethereum and Bitcoin in the bear market are dumping harder than Uniswap at the moment. Will this trend continue, or this is just a temporary trend? Only time will tell right now. Uniswap have not been through traditional crypto bear market, so we don't really know how Uniswap behave in the bear market. We're just picking back off what other altcoins have done in the previous bear market. We have seen altcoins lose over 90. Some of them lose as high as 97% of their value in the bear market. Will Uniswap be an exception? Obviously, there are some altcoins that are exception to the rule. Uniswap market cap chart is showing us that Uniswap had a wonderful ride from when it was launched in September 2020. It first had an initial dump, then it started that grind upward. It grinded over 8,800% on its market cap valuation. Crazy. It got to as high as $22 billion. Damn. But after that, it lost a lot of value, down 90%. Right now, the market capitalization of Uniswap is currently at $2 billion. For us to get back to that all-time high, we basically have to 10x from where we are right now. Is it possible? It's actually possible, guys, but we want the conditions to be favorable. We want to see Bitcoin healthy. If Bitcoin is not healthy in the crypto market, a lot of these altcoins are not going to be healthy. No matter how good your token is, if Bitcoin is not healthy, it's signaling that the general crypto market is not healthy. So we want to see Bitcoin bottoming right here. If Bitcoin holds this 20K region, maybe, just maybe, this will be the bottom of Uniswap. But guys, where should we be getting some Uniswap? And if Uniswap dips below $2, that'll be a very good buy position. If we get there, do your research. Don't just dump into this project because they can literally dump another 90% from where we are right now. We've seen it happen in the past, and that's only the way we can protect ourselves from this kind of huge losses by learning from the past. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, guys, what will you be doing to your Uniswap through the bear market? Will you be buying more? Will you be selling your stash, or will you just be holding the one you have? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1.